What's up, everybody? And this is Freakenstein, and today we're gonna finish off putting this air raid into his second alt mode, which is a foot. And we're gonna need these guys right here to do this. I'm pretty sure it's this one right here that we're gonna need to use, but we just got them out so that they're ready. And yeah, I'm excited to finish this guy. It does seem like it's been a long time, but not as long as some third-party companies out there that just I don't even know what to say. They're just not on the ball. But yeah, so there he is, looking very, very good if you ask me. Like, he looks like he's a model plane, not a transformer. But I really dig this base that they got. I just don't know where the batteries go for this, or how to even put them in. There's supposed to be batteries in here, and it would be nice if they actually worked. They're supposed to be magnetic, but you know, how do you even put the battery in? How do you put the battery in? Is there a screw? No. Does this top come off? Oh, there, the top comes off. Okay, so here we go. I'll have to use some tweezers or something later for that. But, alright, I think we might have it figured out, which would be good. But, yeah. So, without further ado, we should get him transformed. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? So let's just get him off of this. Come on. Get out. There we go. Move this off to the side. Put him down. Move the camera down. So if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, this is a good time to do so. I'd really appreciate it. And I also have coming up on my 750 subscriber some giveaways if you want to go check out that giveaway video. And if you want to subscribe, you are automatically entered to win. Alright, we're back, and we have him transformed up into his leg mode. I just got this on the back holding it up. So there, this is what you want it to look like. That's exactly what you want it to look like. And here he is beside the other foot. So you can see what that looks like. And we're just going to put this guy on in 1 second. And what you want to do is make sure you got all this stuff kind of back, because you're going to just take this piece that's going to want to take those and just move them out of the way a little bit, and then it should go in to where it's supposed to go. There's a piece right here. That's what you got this for. And if everything is put together right, it should just want to slip into those. And you want to get it really in there. So yeah, it's a little harder to do than what it should be, but it's doable. Okay, so now that we got that in, we can now take these pieces here, and they're going to come up, I believe. Oh, we forgot to get this piece up first. We'll get this piece up first. That will secure everything into place. These pieces will come up, and there's a spot that it tabs into. Same with this piece. Just got to make sure that it's coming up on the right hinge. Really, really stiff on my copy, but and then I don't know anything about. You see, it's got these pieces right here. I don't know. It just doesn't tab in really anywhere. But so that's how you want these guys to look, just like this. And there you go. You have both his feet, and we can bring in this guy right here. And if you just give me a second, I will hook these guys up. There's just little things like right there where they tab into and close all off. I'm actually not sure which side goes where, to be honest with you. And again, on my copy, this crotch piece will not, no matter what I do, come up far enough to actually tab into where it's supposed to. It just won't do it. I don't understand why it won't do it. Like, it's confusing, but it's supposed to tab into right there. I don't know what to tell you, but it just won't do what it's supposed to do. So, and again, this back piece is flimsy as shit, and it comes down. Only one of my pegs will peg in back here, and that's just the way it goes for this guy. So I'm going to do this off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, so we're going to have to move this real back, but there he is so far. And there's one more other thing we can do. Let me just bring that up for a second. But there is one more thing we can do. I'm missing the thing for this guy right there, but that's okay because I think it's in the box. But so again, like I said, there's one more thing we can do. And yes, it was in the box. So we can give him his arm. And pretty sure that it just pushes in. Let's hope that's all we have to do, because this is a pain in the butt. Is there? Oh. There we go. All right, get this back up here. So, there he is. As much as we could do for him today. That's about it for this big guy. We're still missing an arm. And, yeah. So, like always, this is Freakenstein saying, keep playing. Freakenstein out.